Welcome to April 2nd's LeetCode challenge. A valid palindrome 2. Given a string S, return true if string can be a palindrome after deleting at most one character from it. So example number 1, given characters A, B, A, is it a palindrome to begin with? The answer is yes. Next one, can the string A, B, C, A be a palindrome? Yes, after you delete the character C. Or you can delete the character B as well. Both either work. Can A, B, C be a palindrome? The answer is no, because deleting any one character and most one character from it will not make it a palindrome. So the length of the string S is between 1 to 10 to the 5. S consists of lowercase English letters. So there's a couple approaches to this. One of them is using a two-pointer type of approach, which is a good solution. It's quite cumbersome, but it's workable and it gives you a good time complexity. However, I remember solving a palindrome-like question using the tilde operator, so I'm going to try to bring that back and see what we could do with it. So for a palindrome type questions, the good thing about that is that you only need to go through halfway to find if it's a palindrome or not. So for, let's say, I in the range of the length of string S divided by 2, it's going to be integer division. So we basically only need to go through the range of half of the length of string to find if it's palindrome or not. And if the string S at index I is equal to the string index at the complement of I. So there's this cool notation called the tilde operator, which takes the complement of I and basically takes the end of the operation, right? If that's the case, what we want to do is have two pointers, right? So I'm going to use a two-pointer idea. It's called the left pointer, called left, and that's going to be the slice of the string between I to the end of the string I. And then we're going to make a right pointer called right, and that's going to be assigned to the string slice between I plus the length of S minus I. And then, if this is the case, when would it be true or false? So if left is equal to the left slice going backwards at one character at a time, if that's true, or if right is equal to the right slice, likewise going from the reverse by one character. So if any of those, if this is true and this is true, then return true. However, if any of these are false, then it's not a palindrome. And then if everything else works, then we exit the loop and return true because everything is matching a palindrome. So let's run this. Oh, let's see, what am I doing? It's the slice of I plus 1 to the length of S minus I. Run code. Oh, let's see, what am I doing? It has to be not equal. That's how it enters. Alright, let's submit the code. Alright, accepted. It's not the best runtime and not the best memory usage either. So actually memory usage is returning at linear time because it's returning kind of actually not linear time. It's because it's returning a boolean. So yeah, sure, linear time. But it's not a good one. Runtime complexity is returning at log n, where n is the size of the string. Alright, that's it. Have a great day. In terms of that's, I'll give you a little bit more explanation of the tilde operator. I think it's really neat. I've used it once before for a palindrome function, but it's basically finding the complement of I, and which is a super convenient way to make this code a little bit shorter. But yeah, learn something new every day. Have a good day, guys.